Hey guys, so I started drawing my floor plan for your 3D home for your choice project. And what I did is I am taking the floor plan that I put in my project, okay, and I labeled it first floor and second floor. And now I'm basically drawing that on my folded graph paper. Okay, so you can see I have my garage done already, and I have the recreation room. And what I'm doing is, for example, the recreation room on here is some feet and inches. I actually just rounded it up to the nearest foot so that I don't have to worry about that so much. And then I'm making sure that I label everything. Okay? So, as you can see, my garage is pretty much the same dimensions as the floor plan of the example. I did round 23 feet, 6 inches up to 24 feet. And then I've got the 20 feet down here, and I counted the squares to make sure it was exact. And then I've got my recreation. I'm not going to worry about adding doors and windows yet. I'm just going to get the floor plan put down. And it doesn't need to be exactly like this, but it's going to be close because this is my model. Okay? So I'm going to show you how I'm just doing some more rooms here, and then hopefully that'll help any questions you may have. Okay, so the next room that I need to draw, you see here, is I'm going to draw the patio off the top, and then I'm going to start with a bathroom. This house that I chose is a little different. All their bedrooms are on the first floor, and all like the dining and other stuff is on the second floor. So it's a little unusual. It's kind of unique. So I'm going to draw my patio here, and then the bathroom, and then I'll kind of show you how I'm doing that. And if there aren't dimensions, like this bathroom doesn't have dimensions, I'm just going to make some that make it look like that size that's in my floor plan. Okay, so for the patio, I'm going to come in just a couple, and it is 14 feet by 10 feet, and I'm going to go up 2, 4, oops, sorry, I should use my ruler. I'm going to go up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, takes me to the top. I'm going to use the ruler to draw a line. I'm going to go over 14, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, I'm going to make a line. Make a line at the top. Okay, and then I'm going to write patio, and the double-sided paper is a little bit harder to write on, so you got to really push down hard. And this is 10 feet, and this is 14 feet. Okay, so now I have my patio drawn. Now I'm going to draw that bathroom. So the bathroom is in line with this. And it doesn't go out, so if you see from the picture here, okay, it doesn't come out as far as this room. It's about halfway through this room, and this room is 14 feet 8 inches, so I'm going to round up to 15 feet wide. You can always tell how wide it is. You just got to look at the dimensions, and this one is about 11 feet 6 inches, so I'm going to say 12. This is the longer side, so obviously that's 14. The first number in your architecture unit is always going to be the width. Okay, so I'm going to make this one, so I'm going to round this up to 15. I'm going to make this one about 7 or 8 feet wide. So now my drawing, I'm going to count over 2, 4, 6, I'm going to make it 8 feet. Okay, and then for my length going down, I'm just going to kind of throw in a number. I think I make it you know, maybe about 5 feet or 6 feet wide. Probably do 6 feet just to make it a little bit bigger of a bathroom. 2, 4, actually I'll do 5 feet. Now obviously a bathroom wouldn't be 2 feet wide, but 5 feet wide is totally acceptable for a bathroom. And then I'm going to label it bath, which is BA2, exactly like my sheet says. And then I'm going to put the dimensions in here. This was 8 feet. I'm going to put them on the outside because later we're going to come back in and put pictures on here and images cut out. So I don't want to cover up my numbers. This was 5 feet. Okay. Now I've got bedroom 2, and I'm going to draw right here. Okay. And it gives me the dimensions that it is 15 feet by 12 feet. So I just round it up. And if you want to print these, if you have a printer at home, it might help you too. I just cross it out and make my new dimensions on it. Okay. So I'm going to go, this is already 8. I'm going to go out 2, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. And 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then it comes, I'm just going to draw it all the way over, and I can erase later to make the hallway come in. So you can see in this picture here, after the bath, there's a big gap there for the hallway. I'm going to come back and add that. I'm just going to get the layout of everything down first, and then come back and add these all in. Okay. So the last thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to add the laundry. Again, there aren't dimensions. I'm just going to kind of assume it looks about the same size as the bathroom, maybe a little bit bigger. And then the bathroom next to it is similar size. So I'm just going to make up a couple dimensions that make sense. I'm not going to just throw any dimensions out there. I'm going to go down, let's say about 5 feet again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw the line. And now it doesn't go all the way over. It goes just about into where the bathroom starts in my image. So I'm just going to come to about here. To leave this is that hallway in my drawing. So this is laundry. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet. And I forgot to label my bedroom. Bedroom can be BR2, and it is 15 feet. Oh, that's 12 feet. 12 feet by 15 feet. So as you can see, my floor plan is starting to take form based on my pictures. Okay, I am creating my own as well as using this as a guide. So you can tell it looks very similar to this one as I'm adding things in. Okay, and yours should too. Okay.